Do you start your day with a cup of coffee? Studies suggest that a daily cup of coffee may protect against diabetes, Parkinson's disease, and liver cancer. But those health benefits come from the brewing of the coffee beans. So unless you drink it black, you can quickly overshadow the health benefits of coffee with unnecessary fat, added sugar, or artificial sweeteners found in creamers and flavorings. But there's a middle ground, and it starts with making your own, healthier coffee creamer. To make vanilla coffee creamer at home, start with 2 cups of non-fat milk, which provides 0 saturated fat linked to heart disease, but there's plenty of essential nutrients for strong bones and a healthy heart. You'll need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Remember, you're making a big batch here, so there is no added sugar in whipping cream. Now choose the sweetness of your choice. You have a half a cup of sugar or stevia, or you can choose to stir in 1/4 cup of honey. A little sweetness can go a long way in the morning. Pinch of salt, and then add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now on your stove, I want you to place the heavy cream in a pan, and I want you to heat over medium heat until it starts to bubble. Then add in the sugar and cook for about 2 minutes, stirring it constantly. Stir in the vanilla extract and then remove it from the heat. Slowly mix in your milk and then place it in a jar in the fridge. Now before you add it to your coffee, give it a little shake. You can boost your enthusiasm to tackle the day by adding flavor to your coffee without weighing it down. If you do this, your coffee will be fit to drink.
For more Fit to Eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.